Hi guys, welcome to day 36. I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic, amazing day. We're going to go over your work. So here we go. Today's Flipgrid and journal is all about what snack do you think is best? Your analyzed sound for today is the OY sound and the OI, which says oi. And if you click on it, it's going to take you to a spell zone activity. And you'll see the words like boil that have OI. And on the bottom, you'll see words like boy that have that OY. You can listen to them and you can do games and any of these other activities up at the top. The next thing is the long U. If you click on it, it's going to take you to a Star Hall game. So you can look at words like clue and cube and all of those amazing words that have that magic E at the end. Next job is a math game for sorting. Today we're sorting objects by size, so big and small. Next, for our mindfulness video, we have a Victorious video from Go Noodle. And then for our fun song, we have Pizza Man, also from Go Noodle. Sight words today is another Star Hall matching game. So if you click on it, you'll see words like you, and you just press the play, and you can do the game. Next, we have our scratch project. Today, we're coding our animal, so it can tell us where it lives. And then for Epic Books, I put a book about food. And then last but not least, we have a story called What's the Big Idea, Molly? So let's go ahead and take a look at all the work for today. We're going to start with warm-up number 87. And number 1 says, write the word with a capital letter. My dad is tall. 2, add punctuation. That is way too loud. Are they telling you something? If just telling you something, put a period. Are they asking something? Put a question mark. If they're telling you something with feeling, you're going to put that exclamation mark. Number 3, circle the verb. Eve likes movies. So the verb is what the person or thing is doing in your sentence. So what is Eve doing? And the last part, the word is robe. Fill in your missing letter. Here's my journal for today. It says, I think the best snack is carrots because they are healthy. They are also delicious. And then I drew my cute carrots up here. You decide what you like to eat and give me a reason why you like to eat that thing. Next job today, we're going to take a look at our language arts worksheets. So they look like this. And the first one, what they want you to do is to circle the character who thinks best when they go fishing. Is it the duck or is it the mouse? And then they want you to circle where the frog gets his best ideas. Is it by the tree or by the pond? And then the last part, they want us to write what the animals make turtle at the end of the story. So the animals make, and then tell me what they make. On the next side, we have lots of magic E words that we're going to be writing. Let's say them together first. Pie, tube, mule, June, wagon, vase, cube, flute, and rope. I'm going to write 3 with you, and then the rest you get to do by yourself. The first word is pie. So P, I, and then to make it say I know I need a magic E. My next word is tube. It sounds like 2 O's, but sometimes that long U sounds like ooh. So today we're using that U and a magic E. And then the last one is mule. Mule. And then of course I need a magic E. So you can finish those last 6 by yourself. Let's go to our math for the day. So our math lesson today is all about sorting shapes that are big and small. We don't have big and small shapes in front of us. They're in the classroom, but that's okay. I just drew 3 shapes that were big. I have a green triangle, a big red circle, and a blue square. And then on this side, I made 3 shapes that were small. A small square, a red triangle, and a small circle. If you turn it over, they give us some shapes at the top. And what we need to do is sort them, the ones that are small and the ones that are big. So there's only 3 shapes up here that are small. I put the green triangle and the 2 small red rectangles. And then there's 4 shapes that are big: the blue rectangle, the red triangle, the blue circle, and the yellow square. Turning to the next page. What they want us to do is to put how many small shapes from this side. So there were 3 small shapes, and how many big shapes. And if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 4 big shapes. So I put 3 and 4 for my shapes. And then they wanted to circle the one that has 3, and that's the one that was small. And then write the number. So that's what I did. On the next one, they want us to put the shape numbers again and to circle the one that has 4. That's the big shapes. And then you just write that number, the number 4. The last part of today is a mid-chapter checkpoint. And I'll tell you the directions and you can do this on your own. It says, look at the set at the beginning of the row. Circle the shape that belongs in this set. So I see these 3 shapes. Does this shape go with these shapes? If it does, you're going to circle it. Does this shape go here? If it does, circle it. And last one, if this shape goes here, circle it. On number 2, they want us to look at this shape and then put an X on the group that it belongs to. So does this shape go here with these 3 shapes? If yes, you're going to put an X. And then look at this set. Does this right here go with these 3 shapes? If it does, put an X on it. The last part, they want us to match the lines to the shapes that they go with. So they gave us some words up here. And what they want us to do is to match it. So we're not really looking at these shapes up here. We're looking at the shapes on the bottom. So right here, the word is green. And then I'm looking at these shapes by this dot. So if these are green, I'm going to make that line go here. Then I see the dot here. If these are green, I'm going to make my line go here. And if these are all green, I'm going to make my line go all the way from this dot to this dot. The next word is triangle. So if this set right here with the blue dot is triangles, you're going to match it here, make that line. If this set right here is all triangles, make your line. And if this set is all triangles, you're going to make your line. And the last one, it says small. If these shapes are small, draw a line. If these shapes right here are small, draw your line. And if these shapes are small, draw your line across. That is our last piece of work for the day. I hope the rest of your day is great. Bye.